Hello. Waiting to do this shit stuff. Okay, what the Sorry, I think I'm sick. I don't know. My throat is bothering me. I don't know if I have COVID. Okay? I don't fucking know. Help me. Okay. Doing this shit again. Because the other video is going to take a while to upload. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm fucking scared to call him. Not gonna lie. I have not seen his face yet, but he said he has purple hair. That's why he has that's why his OC that I made for him has purple hair. He wanted the horns with it because I don't know why. But okay. That's his last name. His last name is Alex, so don't you fucking dare give him the phone. Don't add his phone number, please. Because I know you guys see it, but still don't. Okay? Because he would be very mad at me. He doesn't even know that I'm recording this right now. And he's not responding to me. Bitch ass. Fucking. You didn't hear anything. Anyways. Bye. Don't mind the stuff here too. Okay.